Pranam. So this video is going to be Surya Namaskar, chair Surya Namaskar, which our senior citizens can do. So people who are not well or they are not so flexible, they want to start Surya Namaskar practice, they can start with chair Surya Namaskar. Senior citizens can also start this practice. So it's going to be a 12 count practice, and I'll guide you through the practice. Okay, let's start. So you can sit on the chair, hands in Namaskar position. 1. Raise your arms, stretch, inhale. 2. Go down, exhale. 3. Head up, bring your head up, feel the stretch on your neck and spine. 4. Right hand up, twist your spine, keep breathing. 5. Other hand. 6. You can sit. Now 7. Right leg comes up. You can bring it up as much as you are comfortable. Now support your leg and let it be straight. Knees push down. Relax. Other leg up. Straight. 10. You can support your leg. 11. Stretch. Inhale. 12. Arms down. These were the 12 steps. We'll do the left side. Hands again in Namaskar. 1. Inhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Inhale. 4. Left side. 5. Right. 6. Sit. 7. Left leg up. Now support and let your leg be straight. Right leg up. 10. Straight. Again 11. Arms up, stretch. 12. Arms down. So these are the 12 steps done for right side and left side together, making one cycle of chair Surya Namaskar. Hope you do this. Thank you.